How to fix Bluetooth headset not working in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, what you need to do first is that you need to make sure that you have your Bluetooth headset connected successfully to your computer. So for example, I will click this and then there is a Bluetooth feature right here. So right now it says not connected. So from here, you need to connect to your Bluetooth headset first. In my case, it's this one, the Vicious Bowie. So I can go ahead and click on that. And then we just need to wait for it to finish connecting. And then we need this to be successfully connected first in order to be able to use it in Microsoft Teams. So right now it says couldn't connect. So let me try again. What you can also do is that you can turn off your Bluetooth and turn it on again. And then make sure that it will be connected. Okay, it still says couldn't connect. So let me turn on and turn off my Bluetooth headset device. And then, okay, now it says connected mic and audio. So if it now says connected mic and audio, that means it is now connected successfully. So I can just go ahead and open it again right here. So now it says connected. If you're not connected yet, you can go to more Bluetooth settings. From here, you can click add device. And then from here, you can click Bluetooth. And then from here, you just need to wait for this to discover your device. And then if it discovers your device, you can just click your device right here. And then it should now be connecting. So let's say I forget this Bluetooth device that I'm using right now. So from here, I can remove device and then I already disconnected it. I can go to add device and then we can wait for it to be connected in here as well. So let's wait for it to detect the Bluetooth headset that I have. So this can also take a while for it to be detected. You just need to be patient in detecting it. So now we can see Vicious Bowie, which is my Bluetooth headset. I can click on that and then it should now be connected. Now you can see connected mic and audio as well. And then it says disconnect if you want to disconnect. So now click done. So now it says connected mic and audio. So let's go back. And then you can now basically use this right here in Microsoft Teams. So you can also navigate your settings to make sure that it uses your Bluetooth headset. From here, go to devices. And then from here you can see microphone. It uses the headset, the Bluetooth headset that I have. If you also want to use the speaker, you can just click on this and then click this one, headphones, which is my Bluetooth headset. So now I'm using both the speaker and microphone from my headset right here. Now you can go ahead and go to a Microsoft Teams meeting. And then you can now also use this right here as well. Just make sure that you're using the correct headphones and headset right here for your Bluetooth headset. Then click join now. Then if you're also inside the meeting, you can also edit it right here. Make sure you're using the correct speaker and then the correct microphone and is connected to your Bluetooth headset. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the Bluetooth headset not working in Microsoft Teams. I hope you learned how to do it and thank you for watching.